Now we're going to talk about the value proposition and differentiators of RapidScale DaaS. So RapidScale's entire infrastructure, the entire company, was built around DaaS. With that in mind, RapidScale can manage both Citrix DaaS and VMware DaaS, the two big horses that are in the market right now. Very few other players right now can provide their clients with that level of choice and that level of technical expertise. RapidScale actually owns the infrastructure that every portion of their DaaS runs in. We own it. We've been doing it for more than a decade. With that in mind, when we talk about the infrastructure and the people and the technology and everything that goes into this very complex technology, we have the power of Cox Business. More than $20 billion is behind this company. You as a salesperson, and especially your customer through thick and thin, more than 120 years is going into supporting your customer and your business as a salesperson. So you can feel confident and very secure in the solution that your customer is getting. What else makes RapidScale very different from the competition? We also have cloud node-enabled data centers around the world. Most cloud services providers actually only have one data center. We have them around the country. We also have them in Europe, and we have them in Asia. So if your client needs to expand, they're covered. If they have employees that are located in Europe or over in Asia, they can still get on their desktops and they can still get their information, they can still get their applications very, very quickly. Very important for productivity. And another differentiator of RapidScale DaaS is the data centers, the backbones of the pipes and the connections within the data center. 100 gigabyte backbone within each data center of RapidScale. You can have great infrastructure if the applications are not moving in and out very quickly with low latency. Your DaaS is not going to produce well. It's not going to be a great user experience. There's also the fact that RapidScale specializes in hybrid management, known otherwise as co-management. So many companies will fully manage a DaaS implementation, meaning they'll manage everything and your employees can't have access to it. Or they won't manage it at all. You can just use their data center. That's like an Amazon or an Azure, right? What RapidScale allows you to do is your employees can get into that firewall, your employees can get into that DaaS instance, make changes, make additions, or if they don't want to, they can call RapidScale. RapidScale is able to do it. That's very rare for a DaaS supplier. Another differentiator is that with RapidScale DaaS, we're so advanced. Just a few years ago with DaaS, you couldn't do complex graphics. You couldn't do advanced graphics in video, and you couldn't even do AutoCAD with a DaaS implementation. With RapidScale DaaS, you can. You can do almost anything from the cloud, including AutoCAD and Photoshop and movie editing. So the other differentiator of RapidScale is the SLAs and the service that we provide. Now, everybody says service and we have great customer service. We put numbers behind our service, okay? RapidScale SLAs with DaaS, 100% SLAs. So if a customer goes down for 1 minute, we'll pay them for that 1 minute. Most companies have a 99% or a 98%. RapidScale, 100%. Now, we also have rapid response support, meaning that we have a package of support that has unprecedented response times and SLAs just on our response times. So use rapid response as one of the differentiators you can use with your customers. Now, with the RapidScale SLAs with their DaaS and with the rapid response support that supports the DaaS, RapidScale has net promoter scores, known otherwise as the NPS score, that is off the charts. We navigate anywhere between a score of 70 or 80. Most companies, especially in the technology field, operate more around the 30 or 40 range. So we're literally double, sometimes triple the NPS score of most of the technology companies out there. And another differentiator of RapidScale is 24/7, 365 remote monitoring with SolarWinds. So we're watching every instance of your DaaS with every employee, whether it's a security attack, how's the network doing, are the applications working properly, everything that could be going right or wrong with every employee in this company is being monitored with SolarWinds with someone from RapidScale. Not many companies can really provide that. The final differentiator of RapidScale, and possibly the biggest differentiator, is the customer portal that we have at RapidScale for every single customer we have. This is a portal that customers can log into, and they can see everything, every component of what they're doing with RapidScale. They're able to see it in a single pane of glass, from billing, from what they're being charged, how much they're using, why they're being charged, what they're charged. More importantly, they can see every desktop, who's using every desktop. They can go into this portal, they can make changes, and that's just for DaaS. But if they're using other RapidScale products, SD-WAN, IaaS, and disaster recovery, Office 365, every change they need to make, every configuration they need to perform, whether they're doing it or whether we're doing it, they can go into this portal and they can change it. Visibility is so critical for your customers who are scared of offloading their cloud. They're scared of letting go, and they're super scared if they can't see what's going on at any one point in time. And with this portal, your customer gets a direct line of communication with RapidScale support with any trouble tickets they have. So if they have a trouble ticket, if they need help with their desktop, or they want to add desktops or remove desktops, and then they put in a support ticket, they can see where it is in each stage of support, how it's being supported, who's supporting it, how soon they're going to get a response. It's all in front of them in the single pane of glass. When your client sees this portal and the level of visibility they have, they will be blown away, guaranteed. Your competitors or anyone you're competing against will not have a portal this robust.